Hello there, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. Senpai here with another unboxing for you. Today we're taking a look at some, I don't know, Yu-Gi-Oh! Like, no one knows who Yu-Gi-Oh! Is. Whatever. Yes, everyone knows who Yu-Gi-Oh! Is. If nothing else, then you know about the butts and boobs that are in Yu-Gi-Oh! From Dark Magician Girl. When this came out, was all about that. We have the Millennium Puzzle. I ended up getting this over from Robot Kai, and I think I got the last one from them because unfortunately they are sold out. If they get any more in, definitely use my code Senpai Hobby over at robotkai.com for 10% off anything on their site, whether it be the spray booth, paints, anything over there, the Hobby Mio stuff, which I have a bunch of. I still haven't done videos on. I'm sorry. But today it's going to be a quick unboxing. Take a look because I think there's like a total of 36 parts. There's no how to solve the puzzle in the box, though there are about 18 billion different videos out there. I'm not sure how difficult it is going to be. We will see because I will be doing that on a live stream. But I do want to paint this. I've already seen the gold. I do want to paint it. I want to paint different golds and stuff. Like if nothing else, that's what I want to do. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, I've heard a lot of craze about this. This came out in 2021, year of the Rona, made in Japan. This came out, everybody was freaking out about it. I didn't have that much interest in it. Yes, I know who Yu-Gi-Oh! Is. Yes, I've seen the cartoons. Yes, I've played the game a little bit. Robot Kai got it in stock and I went, I'm going to use my own code and get 10% off and order it myself, which I did along with a couple other kits that they got in. Definitely keep an eye on them because they've been getting more and more just regular kits in. They got the, I forgot what it's called, the spaceship that looks like a airbrush. I got that in. We'll do an unboxing on it. Got this and a couple more. So this is the Ultimagear Millennium Puzzle. Pretty simple. You got some box art over here just telling you remove pieces, assemble pieces, solve the puzzle. On the other side, you get a layout of the runners. Taking a look inside. You do get, and I have kind of peeked at these, you get your typical Bandai gold, like it is what it is, but you get 1, 2, 3 bags of parts, assembly instructions, sorta. You get all the parts, which I think you kind of want to keep track of these because that's kind of how it goes together, I would assume. I don't know, it just says piece list. And you get an advertisement for the gold sarcophagus, which actually kind of looks cool. I think all the parts go in there. Might have to pick that up. And you get some advertisement for some other stuff that they have. So let's take a look at all this. So like I said, you get an advertisement for the gold sarcophagus. You get some advertisement for their snap together figures, which the only place I've seen these here in town is Hobby Lobby, which was kind of interesting. I've almost picked up a couple of these. You get your instructions, sort of. You get a runner layout. You get how to clip pieces. You get a how to cut all the pieces, and let's see if I can do this correctly. There are some of the pieces that there are pieces that go together. Like it's not like you just snip the piece and push it in all together. There are some pieces that you actually have to put together. Your pages 3 and 4. You get the back of the book, which has these all laid out once you have them together. As far as 1 through 33, there are only 33 pieces to the kit once it's all done, like separate pieces. All right, taking a look. You can see there's a wobbly figure over here. Oh, and it fell off. So like I said, runner A, you get, it's their typical gold. You've got swirls. This is fine if you're just wanting to do it for like cosplay or something like that. But definitely probably something that you want to paint. Again, this is going to be runner A with like a part that fell off. Runner B, same gold. Everything's in the same gold. This one also had a part that fell off in the bag. Runner C, more gold, of course. Runner D, runner E. So yeah, not much to say. 5 runners, a couple loose pieces, instruction manual, advertisements, more advertisements, and the box. All right, guys, I don't know if you enjoyed that or not. I just wanted to shoot this through real quick, get it out there, and definitely stay tuned. I'm going to be live streaming, just building this up, and then it's going to get painted. I have a bunch of Gaia. I have a bunch of Moto Gold, and I think I might just stick with either the Hobby Meal or the Moto Paint, since I got this from them, and might as well just give those a try out. I have a bunch of different golds. We will see how that turns out. It may turn out looking like crap, but I'll enjoy doing it, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching it. If you like this video and you want to see more crazy stuff like this, definitely click that like button, click the subscribe button. Remember, use Senpai Hobby, all in caps, over at robotkai.com and get yourself 10% off. I get no commissions or anything. They were nice enough to give me a discount to pass on to you, and I use it for myself, so hooray! I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.